Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 6 count.
Peter, Naomi.
Correct.
Reminder, if you want to do the steps well, you got to get here. I think some people are practicing this way, like, you're just not really engaged in your body. I want you to jump up and land like a ninja cat. Ready? From here, even if it's weird and exaggerated, now you try your steps, and you will find that the triple steps are a lot easier to find. If you ever lose yourself, you can always go back to the simple version, which is quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow.
They're
Put the
equivalent.
triples back in. They're the same thing. A lot of reps with that if you can. That's the number one thing. Then we worked on this open and close feeling. Remember? We open, close, and reverse.
Turn.
And we change places and not too far away. We just keep on dancing there. Then we worked on the cuddle.
Went like this.
I turn my hand over.
Look
I bring
at
it
your
in between
watch.
us. Shaboom. Then we go back out. We take a basic in and a basic out. Rock
1,
step,
2, 3,
triple
and
step,
4, 5,
triple
and
step,
6.
rock
1,
step,
2, 3,
triple
and
step,
4, 5,
triple
and
step.
6.
My hands like this. Oh no, big deal. That was what we
Talking
did.
about, oh yeah.